Alright, today we are unboxing this. What is that?
A Scout 2.
Made by Redcat.
It's by Redcat and it's a mini crawler, the original, because the yellow one we have is a mini rock crawler.
Yup. And this one is the Redcat Gen 8, right? See?
Yeah.
And this is completely sealed. We just got it today. So we are going to unbox this for you guys.
It's an unboxing video.
And I know it's been out for a while, but it's new to us, so. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see. It is still completely sealed. So we will cut that side. And this side also. So
I'm holding the camera right now.
Alright.
So that's why it's a little wiggly, because I'm just a kid.
Alright, and they do a really good job of packaging this.
So it might be a little hard.
So
What is that?
that's a crazy kind of bubble wrap. So they do a really good job packaging that. And on top, can you see? Let's see. Keep it nice and protected in there. So let's see if we can get it out. Here's your instruction manual and some extra pieces in there for you. Take a look at that later. Now, pull it this way. There we go. There's that. All right, good job. All right. So now. Use that. Okay. Let me see.
That looks so cool. That is awesome.
You like that?
Let me feel the tires. They're actually not like the other one.
No. Looks pretty awesome. Lulu, what do you think?
It's Lulu. I'm going to get in the box.
You're in the box? The Redcat box?
It's blurry. It's a little blurry.
So you get an actual full-size spare. That's pretty awesome.
It's going to roll.
We get that. And then this is the transmitter.
Rise.